During holidays and in everyday life of the Chinese people, there is a certain mythical figure that is present everywhere. This figure is called a Sinosaurus, or Chinese dragon. This dragon differs from the dragons in the Western tales. As an idol that is non-existent in science and reality, the dragon has a position in the hearts of the Chinese people that is irreplaceable. The image of the dragon probably originated from the early Neolithic period. The fable is that the Chinese ancestors Fuxi and Nuwa both had human faces with a snake-like body. The dragon was formed when the Chinese ancestors united the various tribes along the Yellow River and wove together the totem images of all the clans. This is why the images of many animals can be found in the dragon. In the Chinese folklore, the dragon has a snake's body, a lizard's legs, an eagle's claws, a snake's tail, a deer's antler, and a fish's scales. For the Chinese, it has long been a potent symbol of auspicious power and is therefore worshipped religiously. It is also associated with the weather as the bringer of rain and water. Many Chinese people often use the term descendants of the dragon as a sign of ethnic identity. During the feudal period, the dragon served as the symbol of the emperors and imperial authority. The rulers of every dynasty referred to themselves as the incarnation of the dragon. This is why everything in the imperial palace was decorated with dragon designs. It is said that there are 12,654 dragon decorations in the Taihe Palace alone, the main lobby of the Qing Dynasty Imperial Palace. Considering this, the total number of the dragons in the entire palace must be countless. Occupying the center of attention in many social events. As the mascot figure of China, the dragon signifies success, hard work, and creativity. It is considered not only beautiful and friendly, but also filled with wisdom. It brings good luck to common people and an expanding economy to the country. It symbolizes the harmony that exists between civilization and nature. 卧虎藏龙，卧虎藏龙。